Good morning, this is Burnrate and welcome back to another day and another daily challenge with the Offworld Trading Company. Hopefully today I'll be a little less hypnotized with the new beta features in our beta 4 with the cool music. And today we're going to be playing Robotic, so choosing the faction before seeing the map just to add a little bit to the challenge. So we're going to scan out here and hopefully find a nice big pile of steel and dropped right on it. Let's see, can I grab that? 80.
Low levels of water found.
Let's keep looking. It doesn't look like it's going to be short on resources. A lot of rocky terrain.
Medium levels of water found.
Scientific colony founded. Scientific colony founded.
Right on the water.
High levels of water
a lot of water.
Found.
They
Expansive colony found.
right
Levels
over
of
there.
carbon
Look
found.
at all that carbon. That's nice. I'll take that.
Acceptable location has
Thank you.
been identified. Run colonization build script. Start manufacturing queue.
High levels
Steel.
of aluminum found.
And steel. And I'll take this iron so someone else doesn't. Just because I'd like to have it next to me. So that used up all of my claims right away. I have a lot of iron to turn into steel. And I need the aluminum, which will be cheap. I can afford before I upgrade, and my steel plants will get online. And I should be producing very soon.
Online.
So what do we have? Purchase EMP, purchase power surge, purchase a network virus. What does this do? Consume twice as much energy. Produce quick and fast good worker stim pack. Production boost. Dynamite, mutiny, and goon squad. So I'm gonna get some iron here and head straight for a very quick upgrade. As soon as we can afford it.
Expansive colony
I think
expanded.
we'll have enough iron coming in. With the price of aluminum moving around. And there we go.
Improving efficiency. Begin
Underground
to the
nuke.
highest bidder.
articulating
3,000.
splines.
A lot going on there. I'll bid for that. 4,000. I mean, couldn't use it on someone eventually. That was pretty cheap. Interesting. Alright, so I want... I'm going to need electronics and power. But for now, I would like aluminum. Let me sell this off. I'm in better spots. Oh, wow, there's such a small amount of aluminum. Someone got that really good one. These two are together, though. There's going to be very little aluminum. I don't know, should I go for 2? Is that ridiculous? Is that going to be way too much? I need 0.5.
Scientific colony expanded.
I'm going to go for 2 because I know I'm going to need 0.5 for my electronics factories. And we need the carbon and the silicone. So carbon here, and I'll just grab
Scientific colony
this
expanded.
big one. And not me got EMP'd. Let's see if I can put down another iron mine real quick. Get that adjacency bonus. And I'm going to do an underground nuke on the aluminum, because I think there's... Is that the only aluminum in this map? The 2 I got? Oh, there's one down here, a 1 here, and a 1 there. So there's very little aluminum. I have a good balanced iron income, I have aluminum income, I'll be able to upgrade pretty soon, and I have more carbon than I'll ever need, probably. I could probably sell off to help my upgrade, and then I'll get silicone and go with electronics and power. So power price is already going up. Do we have any geothermals? One right there, which is nice. And that's the only one, and I really want that, especially because I'm robotic. So as soon as I can upgrade, that's the first thing I'm going to do, is try and get that power. I mean, we might have some nice wind power along here. But what is that? But I want that geothermal. As soon as I can. EMP'd! I got both. They're setting up wind power there. I got both my steel plants for 80 seconds and my iron for 90. I can get 3,000 from this. What would it cost to upgrade? Oh, I can do it. Although my steel has been frozen and it's going to slow me down.
Improving efficiency. Beginning construction.
So I need
Reticulating
8,000
splines.
for that. Due to my frozen iron. So for just 1,000, claim auction. I'll put some in there. I'll try... My stock price is the highest, so I can afford to get a little more debt.
14,000, 18.
Don't know if I want to go much higher than that. I'll stay below 20, I'll be happy. And I'm happy. That's it. You can't buy claims in the black market anymore. Or at least any of the games I've seen. Oh, someone got the geothermal! I had a feeling that was going to happen. Is there any good clusters here? So that's 0.9, 7, 8. Let's see what else. 777, 0.9, 9, 8, 8. I'll go here. So I am definitely going to need lots of power. I have aluminum coming in. This got frozen too. These should unfreeze pretty soon. And I'm going to set up a silicone mine and the electronics factory. But I do want one more power as soon as I get that aluminum shipment. There we go. Get that adjacency bonus. So I have positive power flow. I have extra carbon. I'll sell a little of this iron because that was frozen for a while. Silicone mines. Nice big 2 over there. And I'm going to go with 2 electronics factories off the bat to try and keep my debt down, and those are always profitable to sell. What do I need? About 1,000 each. So I'll just keep these right here. It's close. Need steel. Sell a little carbon. There we go. Need more claims. Oh, well, that's fine. I miscounted. I had that extra one. I thought I had an extra one, but I didn't. So we're only about 7-8 minutes in, and we're already level 3. Have aluminum and steel coming in. Have power, positive flow, price going down. And we are generating a positive amount of electronics with just one factory. So as soon as that starts coming, oh, our debt is already decreasing just due to the power, which is nice. And what is going up? We may go off-world. Aluminum's still cheap, even though there's a very limited amount on this map. But we may go off-world market this game. I like the way my debt is going already. How much more to upgrade? 8,000 for the steel and aluminum. Another claim.
5,000.
Do I want it?
6,000.
Let's see how high it goes. I want to stay under 20,000 on it.
14,000. 18.
Ooh, that's a lot. My debt is going negative, and I can build another electronics factory. I'll stay under 30. Oh, that's so much. No, I'll let them have it.
32.
I'm going to upgrade soon. I think I will go to patent office, or just save my claims for off-world markets. Could get an engineering lab and boost my electronics production, which are already pricey.
Scientific colony expanded.
I have positive silicone and carbon. What else? And aluminum. Nice. Attack each other. Needs carbon. Well, you have it. What are you doing not shipping it over there? Come on, guys. Get your crap together. Steel. Lots of steel.
Expansive colony expanded.
Could build another steel mill. Iron is super cheap, and I could sell it and put an off-world here, which I think I'll do. I'll build another electronics factory, and that'll help me get to the upgrade faster. So, and I'll let this build up a little bit because I'd rather spend my money on the factories. Iron is very cheap. Alright, and I still have positive, so I can totally afford another steel plant. Mutiny at geothermal plant. Aha! Alright, upgrade.
Improving efficiency.
Steel.
Beginning construction.
Electronics. Frozen and mutiny. Burn rate is upgraded to level 4. I'm not doing too bad. My stock price is not the highest. My power is positive still, but is that because something's frozen? I don't have all these out yet, so we'll see once all my factories up and running what my power is doing. Anything else that is getting very expensive, I can target. Food always. I may just want to make that, you know, a secondary thing, or I could go with electronics and just off-world markets and see.
Your stock is being bought.
People are starting to buy stocks. Not interested. I have aluminum. I have the carbon. No, I do not have the carbon I need. I do have the silicone. So my power is still positive. Only geothermal vent is taken. Let me just click on it.
Your stock is being bought.
Make sure. Okay. We'll go down here. Positive power. Just to keep my debt shrinking.
Freelance pirates are auctioning their services to the highest bidder.
7.
Or sample. Reduce resources in every tile. That's too much of a gamble. Could be anything. So I have the carbon,
1,000.
aluminum, silicone. I have backup carbon, so I'm going to build an electronics factory. Power surge, building disabled. What happened? My power price is going up. It's not too high. This will build before those unfreeze. Help offset that a little bit. So now I have a good flow of electronics coming in. So much silicone. Ridiculous. I can sell that for 10,000. What do I need to upgrade? Almost there. Carbon shortage. Can sell some of that too. I will. And what's the cost for this? Glass, electronics, steel. So I'm gonna have to buy the glass because I don't want to. EMP, buildings disabled.
Let this be a lesson to you
silicone.
all. Screw with
Okay.
us, and
I
we
won't
screw
sell that
with
right
you.
now. I will sell some carbon. I will upgrade.
Full hardware upgrade complete.
And I gotta wait for electronics and steel to come in. And I will buy some off-world markets. I'll buy 2. These are frozen still. What a pain. I should put a goon squad on these probably. I'll build another one here. Goon squad in the middle. My carbon is negative. So let's see. 5 claims. 3, 2 off-world markets. Then carbon, electronics, and power. I think that should work out. Oh, and I'll have an extra one for. Get this goon squad. What was that?
Scientific colony
Power surge.
expanded.
Buildings disabled. Right, down here again. You know how to hit. You know exactly what to do. 75% bonus. I'll go here. See, that's a weak point, but I mean, if they stop doing that, I'll be fine. My debt is going up, but I have a lot of electronics, my steel production. I can actually get 2 of these, and I can still have 2 more claims. I have positive aluminum. My silicone is frozen right now. So let's see what that does. And I can do even more electronics. Go with the off-world market. Still gonna need about 30,000 due to that glass.
Freelance pirates are auctioning their services to the highest bidder.
Freelance pirate? No, they're not. A sabotage auction mule. Mines a tile and bring back the resources.
Auction unclaimed. Bidding closed.
Oh! I didn't even bid on that. That was stupid. I need 100 electronics.
Black market is online.
So I will sell that. Alright. So I'm level 5. I'm gonna get rid of... Steel is not that expensive, so I'll get rid of that. I still need... How much steel for each? 400! Okay. That was kind of stupid. I lost a little bit of iron. And production time. But I'm gonna bulldoze those and make my off-world markets there. Once I have enough steel, which I need, a total of 800 for 2 of them. And the electronics are gonna be fine. So
Let this be a lesson to you all. Screw with us, and we screw with you.
I'll build one more electronics factory just because they're doing so good. And I have my goon squad here. Hopefully that'll protect me. Positive. Debt reduction. Need a little more steel for this off-world. I don't want to get into glass production. How much total? 200 total electronics. Alright. So I have lots of iron. So I'm going to continue.
We caught a dirty rat trying to break our stuff.
Excellent. Goon squad. Good job. Defended. What is that sound? Oh, debt accruing interest. Okay. Should I... Iron's cheap, so I'm going to bulldoze this and build this. And then we're going to bulldoze this once we have enough steel to build it. I'll probably have to buy some iron just to finish that off, but that's fine. Overload! So that's okay, they're all still... The price of electricity is worthless. You have been targeted by a network virus. Do I have one of these? Did I accidentally buy one? Did I click? What happened? Do I get it because someone network virused me? Who else? Mr. Stock is buying my stock.
8,000.
So let me...
Available for auction. Bidding will begin at
Oh, that works probably like a power surge. I should have done here. Or I guess it can't affect patent office. Claim auction. Not interested.
24,000.
sold.
Need that electronics and steel. I will have to buy some more iron, but that's okay.
The black market is online.
Got my goon squad up on my electronics again. I'm pretty sure that's going to be targeted over and over again. I have one claim left. My silicone is mutinied for another 30 seconds, but I have a good backup of it, so... I don't think I have so much aluminum. What can I build on these? I could build a glass factory, and so I could put down a water plant, make electrolysis and glass factory right here. So why not? Is there a 3? No, there's 2. Let's do that. That'll be weird. Aluminum's still pretty cheap. Let's see what we have here. 31,400 electronics. Carbon, 11,000. Steel.
Scientific colony expanded.
Aluminum. I could just sell that aluminum actually. I'm gonna hold on to that claim for a minute. I'll do that. So, how much steel do I have? Almost to the second off-world. What's happening? Everything's exploding. Ah! I love the price of power to go out more. I could buy some iron. Why am I at minus 0.4? I guess one of those got stopped for a moment. I could buy this, so I'll bulldoze this guy. No, I'll bulldoze this guy. And I'll stick this there.
Shipment launched.
Look at all,
the money.
So what do you want? More aluminum? Why not? Let's just keep selling it. I got a lot coming in, and I'll just keep doing that, and I won't mess with that. I still have this claim. I have positive power.
9,000.
Could build a hacker array.
Available for auction.
Keep the price of power high, maybe boost electronics, because that's really what is coming in. I have positive 3, and I keep that goon squad on there.
12,000.
So, how much does it cost? Nothing.
16.
I'll do that. That should just help the game end really quick. So, Miss Stock has a lot of everyone's stock.
1,000.
Mr. Stock. I could pay off my debt, or I could buy a bunch of theirs.
Sold.
My debt is going down. So I'll buy mine defensive a little bit, so I'm back. I'm up on his level. He's got a lot of stock. So. Oh, terrible. Thought they would for sure attack this. What can I sell some of? This carbon is ridiculous. I didn't realize I had that much. Oh no! Okay. Hacker Ray, go. Short electronics. Get me everything I need. Well, why not short electricity too? I could probably sell some of that Offworld. I could sell aluminum, and but these are all frozen. This is still building. Should put a goon squad on that too. Why not? Man. Okay. Got a lot of money coming in, but let me do that real quick. Alright, they're building 34 seconds. Electronics shortage. I'll save them up until then. Carbon, I'll send off-world.
Scientific colony expanded.
I don't really need anything else. Continue to send aluminum and carbon off-world. Sell my electronics. Wait for that
Off-world shipment launched.
Off-world shipment
Look
launch.
at all the money.
It's not a lot, but I'll send the aluminum. It's still more. I'll have 2. So I'll send this
Your
aluminum.
stock is being bought.
No! Defensive buying. My debt's still going down, which is nice. I'm just not going to really pay attention to that. Still wait for the electronics shortage. And I'll send all these guys in as soon as that occurs.
The black
Our
market is
hackers have
online.
compromised the trading
Excellent.
service. Price manipulation begins shortly.
So,
Your stock is being bought.
all bought up.
Expansive colony expanded.
I'll send this all in, and hopefully I'll have enough for a big buy with all this electronics and the shortage.
Freelance pirates are auctioning
don't
their
care about that.
services to the highest bidder.
What do I need to buy them out? 700. Oof.
Sold.
Carbon, aluminum.
Off-world shipment launched.
Look at all the
Look at
money.
all
Come
the
on,
money.
finish boosting. Alright. 200.
Off-world shipment
Scientific colony
launched. Look
expanded.
at all the money.
700,000. I'm getting closer. Silicone. Just sell this for fun. Where is it? I'll sell another one of these. Got 2 going. My debt's going down still. I don't know if I'm going to catch up to this guy. 380 to buy them out. It might be better to buy them out and then buy him. Of course, if he doesn't have to spend the money on me, it might just be better to go for them. Not sure.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all the money.
Send this. Because why
Our
not?
hackers have compromised the trading service.
Hooray!
Price manipulation
Let's
begins
short this
shortly.
again. Let's short carbon too. Excellent. That's going to really help my my debt go down.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all the money.
Look at it all. I need more. Oh, they bought them. 890. 480 to buy myself out. So that's not a whole lot more. And they have nothing. So if I can get 800, 600 more. Gosh! I thought I was doing good. This is rough. Let's see, what's selling? Throw aluminum on there.
Off-world shipment launched. Look at all the money.
Oh, electronics shortage. Man.
Expansive colony expanded.
Excellent. 750. Who knows what they have? I don't know what their main production is. A lot of
Offworld
food.
shipment launched.
Look at
Look at all
surplus
the money.
food. Let's see, what are both of these working? That'd be terrible.
Our hackers have compromised the trading servers.
Sure have.
Price manipulation begins
Debt
shortly.
is almost gone. Price of electronics is going to
Offworld
peak out.
shipment
They're at
launched.
50, 65.
Look at all the money.
Man, that's fast. I'm not gonna beat that. Why did it disappear? Did they spend money? What happened? Oh, 300 more. I need more electronics. Don't be sleeping. Man. Come on, electronics. They're all about the same. So why did he lose that percentage? Is that hidden from me? Or... Come on, Carbon. Quit delaying. Oh man, this is tense. I feel like I might have a chance, but it's like I feel like also any second they might find me out. Any next sound. Ah! The beta is definitely making it a little bit difficult.
Our hackers have
70,
compromised
80.
the trading servers.
No!
Price manipulation begins shortly.
Alright, send back.
Look at all the money. Offworld shipment launched. Look at all the money.
Send it back. Offworld shipments. Steel. Carbon. No, that was terrible. Buy them. Woo! Woohoo! I think I got a little too intense about that. But that was exciting. They bought both the other people. I was amazing using the hacker array to just short electronics all the way up to 1,000, and I had 5 factories going, particularly the Goon Squad. Constant off-world trading. Let's watch these guys launch real quick. Very cool. That was exciting. That was probably the closest game I've ever played. Cool little radio chatter going on and stuff. So, that was really exciting. And I did not expect to beat them. I think if they had played a little smarter, they could have saved up and bought me out, but they spent their money one time, and they were up at 80% there, and I sent all the electronic shipments back home, and that's what really saved me in the end, is just speeding up that return. And with the price at $1,000 per unit, I was just able to get the money and buy them. You know, I could have been a half a second later with that click, and I might not have made it. So, shaky mouse hand. Went through. Very cool. All mine. Stopped counting down. Very exciting. Mr. Stock was way ahead of me that whole time, and I managed to sneak in at the end and buy him out. He bought a lot of stock in the beginning. So, well, that was very exciting. Good game. Good daily challenge, definitely. I like finding that little steal, that early upgrade with Robotic. Definitely is what allowed me to carry through the game. So I just dropped down on this little steel deposit and went for electronics. Had pretty positive cash flow due to my power, and some goon squads were well placed, protected me from 2 EMPs, and everything worked out. That's pretty good. Well, I hope you join me next time. I'll see you then.